Hey everyone, welcome back. And this is Funky Gag. I miss all of you so much. Recently was busy some other stuff, so that my YouTube video is a little bit late, but it's okay. I am back right now. All right, so today's video gonna be something really special. What I mean special? It is really special. So, all right, any streamers or gamers out there, had you guys ever faced maybe for any when you're streamings or maybe when you're gamings, and I guess almost everyone face blue screen. We call it blue screen of death, the BSOD. And today's video, it is gonna be solutions that helps, or maybe some very simple fix that overcome your blue screen issue, especially for MSI user, MSI motherboard, and MSI graphic card. So I know that it's pretty frustrating when you're streaming and gaming and you got a blue screen and you fix it and still having it. Cause I made a search on YouTube and there's a lot of solutions, but you guess what? None of them helps me because I tried all the ways that they actually teach. Maybe it helps for some others, but not me. I keep on having it. I analyze it. I even check it out and make a lot of settings adjustment, but still I have blue screen while playing. Oh, sorry, while streaming Call of Duty on Twitch. If my videos today helps to solve your solutions, remember to click a big thumbs up to my videos, and of course hit the bell buttons on the subscribe to get notified when I got a new video release. And it is for you, of course, for me. And one more thing, that is I'm streaming on Twitch. Schedule is not set yet, probably just 2 or 3 days per week, but you're gonna have fun with me. Watch how I snipe some guys, using a sniper. I guess you know what it is. Hit the follow button on my Twitch and drop by there and have fun with me. Alright, today's video is made specially for MSI user, especially MSI motherboard. So I'm not sure some other brands out there, but because I'm using MSI MPG Jack 390 gaming HAC motherboard with the i7 processor with it. It's a non-clockable version. And so today's solution is very simple. Alright. If you're using MSI motherboard, you will have Dragon Center software installed in your PC. That software particularly is, the software itself adjusts anything, any powers, saver or maximize out the extreme power for your gaming's experience, and also of course your RGB settings, everything. Yep, I used that before, and trust me, to solve your blue screen issue, just uninstall the Dragon Center in your PC. Because basically, Dragon Center is the software that causes you blue screen while you're streaming or gaming, but especially streaming, or especially when your PC is fully loaded. I mean, you're gaming and you're watching videos, or maybe gaming in a very high resolution using drains out a lot of your motherboard and your graphic card's powers and some other software apps, or maybe some other tabs that you open. And basically Dragon Center is the main cause that cause you blue screen. And I found a lot of YouTube videos that actually none of it helps me, but I'm not sure some of you out there, but definitely for me, nope, I did not resolve the issue. And basically just uninstall the Dragon Center. Everything's solved. It's 100% solved, but it's only for MSI motherboard user. And one more thing, that is, try not to overclock your RAM. You got to check your motherboard RAM speed that can be supported. Like my motherboard is only 2 2666 megahertz, and my RAMs can up to 3200 megahertz. But do not overclock your RAM. You got to just remain, or maybe you can max out the speed just up to 2666 megahertz, or else you will get blue screen too. But how to change your RAM, megahertz speeds? Do it in your BIOS, in the MSI BIOS. So how to do a BIOS? You can check the YouTube video. There's a lot of some other YouTubers that teach that tell all of you how to enter BIOS and how to set up the BIOS, stuff like that. That is very, very simple. Is it very simple and easy? Yep, that it is very, very simple. Today's video just a few minutes long, but very effective. Maybe you can give it a try when you are using an MSI motherboard and you have Dragon Center installed in your PC, or maybe once you install and you'll make a settings, you'll link with it, just uninstall it, solve. This method I found out myself because I have no idea how to do it, and one day I tried to uninstall this software, and believe it or not, I don't have any blue screen up till now. It is very, very awesome. The best solution I can provide, and I hope it helps all of you that watch this video. And of course, I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and happy streaming to streamers out there. And do remember to drop by on my Twitch channel, give me a follow, and hang out with me, have fun with me. I'll see you guys there, and goodbye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.